thunderstorm warning for Carroll County and East Central Ohio, Columbiana County and East Central Ohio, northwestern Jefferson, Ohio County and East Central Ohio until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Carrollton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include East Liverpool, Columbiana, Wellsville, Carrollton, Calcutta, Lisbon, Latonia, New Waterford, Augusta, Salineville, Malvern, Bernals, Hanover, Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:56 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 6 miles southwest of Carrollton, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana. Include East Liverpool, Columbiana, Wellsville, Carrollton, Calcutta, Lisbon, Latonia, Augusta, Salineville, Malvern, Bernals, Hanover, Irondale, Delroy, Rogers, Summitville, Mechanicstown, New Garden, and Guilford Lake State Park. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. For Carroll County is in effect until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio, Carroll, and Columbiana. They will send a report to the National Weather Service office. Repeating, the severe thunderstorm warning has been allowed to